kids! I am teacher Ranalyn. Welcome to our science class, the place where young students like you think like scientists. You have learned that mixture is either homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. You also learned that there are three types of mixture, and one of it is a solution. In today's lesson, we will focus on the second type of mixture, which is colloid. The milk that you drink every day is an example of colloid. So, what is colloid? Colloid is the primary types of mixture. It is a type of mixture in which solid particles or liquid particles are dispersed uniformly or evenly scattered throughout a gas, a liquid, or solid. Just like, for example, in adding powdered milk, a powdered milk substance or particles, to a glass of water, another substance which is liquid, you can form a cloud of mixture. You clearly observed a mixture of solid particles dispersed in a liquid particles. We can identify a mixture as colloids if we know some of its properties and characteristics. By looking at the glass of milk, it might look like a solution at first. Milk appears to be a homogeneous mixture, but it is not. Milk is a colloid and therefore it is a heterogeneous mixture. A colloid has particles ranging between 1 to 1000 nanometer in diameter. Colloid particles do not separate upon standing and cannot be separated by filtration. That is why, even if a glass of milk is left untouched, the particles in it will not settle at the bottom. Another example of colloid is mayonnaise. Whisk 2 egg yolks with little olive oil until you get mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is an example of liquid dispersed in liquid. It is difficult, but there are properties that are unique with colloids. Example, I have here flashlight to shine light through the side of a glass of water. What do you see in the glass? How about I use this flashlight to shine light through the side of a glass of milk? Can you see a beam of light through the glass? What you observed is called Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is the scattering of light by the colloidal particles. Sometimes, Tyndall effect can alter the color of the mixture that you see. A good example is the sky that looks blue in daytime but changes to red during sunset. Particles in colloids do not settle. This is because they exhibit Brownian movement. Brownian movement or Brownian motion is the movement of particles suspended in a liquid or gas, caused by bumping with particles of the surrounding medium. The milk particles in a glass do not settle because of the collision with other particles which cause them to constantly move around. The different examples of colloid are important in our daily life. Natural colloid such as blood, clouds, and fogs are basic for living. In this time of pandemic, Red Cross encourages blood donation. Blood is essential to help patients survive surgeries, chronic illnesses, and etc. Man-made colloids are useful too. Colloids such as milk, butter, gelatin, jam, jelly, mayonnaise, and whipped cream are used as food or ingredients for preparing food. Some colloids like creams and ointments are used as medicine and cosmetics. The skincare emulsifiers are used in cosmetics. Betadine ointment is used for the treatment of common skin infections such as prevention of infections in minor burns, cuts, and abrasions. Paints have both protective and decorative functions. Paint is used to protect all sorts of buildings and structures from the effects of water and sun. It is used to decorate all sorts of objects. Styrofoam, inks, and white glues are used in offices and printing press. Insecticides are used in farming. Example, farmers use fluoride insecticides to control agricultural pests such as insects, mites, and nematodes. Always remember, that's it for today. Have an advanced reading of your modules on identifying and classifying colloids. Have fun!